What's up, guys? I really hope the right person gets this. This is Daniel from Daniel David's office. Joshua called a little bit earlier. We didn't really get a name to address this to, so I do hope it goes to the right person. Anyway, let's take a look at your website, see how it's doing, and see if there's anything we can help. So you got products, excellent services, even better. Flooring 101. Great. Actually, that's really smart of you guys to have that. Inspiration about us contact. I like how you have live your life and love your floors, $1,000 back. It's great. I love how these are links to new places. This is really good. Request a new estimate or a free estimate. Why should you choose us? Okay, you guys are doing really good with this. I like what I'm seeing, except for the fact that there's very little content in here. Right? There's not a lot that people can read through, and maybe they don't want to, but Google is kind of picky about that. Obviously, you want to have content so you can have keywords in here, so that Google can find you. So when somebody types something into Google, you're kind of what pops up. So just looking at the back end of what you guys have, you have a UR rating of 6, which is how strong your website is, and you have a DR rating of 3, which is how much Google trusts you, and all of that is dependent on your backlinks. Now you do want about in the 30s and 40s ratio 1-to-1, which means you're going to probably want a little bit more backlinks, especially if the competition is doing really well as well. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link, euflooria.com, somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it returns back to your website. Now, not all links are equal. Some are very spammy. Some are are the ones you do want. So just stay away from the spammy ones like BuzzFeed, Wikipedia stuff, and head more toward the stuff that really, makes sense for you to be connected with. The awesome thing is you do have 363 organic keywords. Let's find out what they are. So you have, of course, Euflooria. I don't care much for that because not your organic searchers aren't going to find that. Those are your repeat customers and your referrals, which are fine. And then there's the rest of this. So as I'm scrolling through Bel Air Flooring, I'm going to assume Bel Air is an area in Euphoria, Bel Air Wood Flooring, Oasis Collection 9, Fonte. I don't know if Bel Air is a floor or if Bel Air is, a type of flooring or if Bel Air is actually a location. If it's a location, I agree with you. That's exactly what you want. If it's not a location, you don't want those at all. What you want is keywords that are a combination of services and location so that people in your area are searching. We know it's just people in your area who are finding that. As we scroll through, we have Flooring Las Vegas. That's excellent because I know that 1,600 people a month are searching for it. So you will get, well, I mean, you're not getting a lot of them from there, but you're getting 7 people because you're on the end of page number 2. Now, the rule of thumb is when you're in number 1, 2, or 3, you will get anywhere from 10 to 20%. So imagine if you can just get 10% of that. That's 160 people a month with just that keyword. Flooring Stores Las Vegas, not bad. I'm wondering if Bel Air is a location in Las Vegas or in the Vegas, Nevada area. Flooring Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a great keyword. 100 a month. You're getting 2 because you're in position. You're on the second page, essentially. So you're not doing bad with the way you're thinking about it. So what I'm noticing is you probably do have a lot of stuff in here that are going to work for you. You just don't have a great ranking. You're not ranking high enough, or you're not getting any SEO done in order to push yourself up. And that's essentially what the backlinks would do for you. So let's take a look at what your opponents are doing or competition is, right? Flooring Las Vegas, Nevada. So because this is service specific and location specific, you can use this to create a good Google ad. Now, not this one specifically, but this combination of ideas of location and service. But off the bat, we go down over here. We have somebody doing a sponsor or an ad for GMB. You definitely want to be in the top 3 because this will allow you guys to get about 30 to 40% of all search volume. And it's separate from your website, but it's something else you guys can use. After that, we got your organic search. Everyone who has a website here could rank up to the top, but it's going to be tough. So I think I went with Las Vegas Flooring because they are not an outlet. They are an actual store, and they do installation, which is what I want to compare you to. I don't want to compare you to store. So looking at these guys, Las Vegas Flooring, we got home, about us, products, galleries, and contact. Now they don't have a huge amount going on over here, which okay. So let's take a look at the back end and see what's going on. One thing I'm very annoyed about is that their phone number isn't located all the way up top. I don't even know where. Right down over here, 702-314, whatever that is. So let's go and look at the back end though. So when I look at them, they have a DR of 24, trust rating of 3.4, so not very good considering they have a lot of backlinks, which lets me know that a lot of these are probably spammy. They do have 151 organic keywords, so let's find out what they are using to take up the top spot. Flooring Las Vegas, same one you have, except they are ranking in one of the top spots. They're getting 238 of those people to their website. So it's about 15%, not even. It's maybe about 12%. But as you can see, it's more than 10%. When they're in the second spot over here, they are getting 131 out of 450. That's almost 30%. So, and again, these are Las Vegas Flooring, Flooring Installation Las Vegas Flooring Company. These are guys who are specifically getting the location they're in for the services they're offering. So they're doing really well as far as ranking. So all of this stuff that people are getting are actually good people to come to their website, except for this one. LV Flooring and Lost Flooring. I mean, I don't know who types that in, but maybe somebody who lives in Las Vegas, that's something they would use for Las Vegas, Lost Flooring. But as you can see, they're just doing really well with location and service specific keywords. So how does this really help you guys out? You might very well have those keywords in here, which means you probably might not have to change up anything about your website. But let's play devil's advocate. Let's say you don't have any great keywords. You would want to switch up your content a little bit, get the right keywords in, make sure that you're ranking for those keywords. How do you rank for them? Backlinks. Great news. I know that your competition, Las Vegas Flooring, has some excellent backlinks that you can use because obviously they're ranked number one for a reason. So if you have all the correct keywords here, and it's just a matter of ranking, focus on your backlinks. If you don't have the proper keywords, get them. If you have nowhere to put the keywords, get content. And there you go. That's all you need. Imagine if you can get, 200 people to your website just because you have your website in the position that people see it first. Anyway, that's all I really got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, yeah, have a good night, y'all.